Hello and everyone, this is tutorial number 58. In this tutorial I am going to discuss about a scaling feature in CATIA. So before uh, I complete tutorial 1 to tutorial 57, so in between I have done many feature, many tools, many operations, but now whatever I have done, if you want to change a scales or change the shape of the part or a sketch, so then now you can use this command. The command name is called a scaling feature. So you can change the ratio 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3. It's to depend on you, half of the total part. So and you can say the increasing or decreasing the shape of the part or a sketch, so that is called a scaling feature. So now I'm going to sketch some part in 3D model, then I will apply this scaling feature. So now I'm going to choose the plane. I'll choose the XY plane, select a sketch. Now I have this spline line, so I'll choose the spline and I will draw some sketch, something like this. Now I'll choose the profile line, something like this. Okay, now exit from a sketch. Now go to pad and extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, so now this is our part. So in this part I am going to use the scale. So now you can go to tools, and then you will find insert, and you will find somewhere a scaling feature. Yeah, so just go to insert and transformation feature, and you will able to see in previous video I have discussed this user pattern, tutorial 57. So this is the tutorial 58. So in this tutorial this is our main things to explain this scaling. So select the scaling from here. So now it is asking the ratio, select the reference. So selection of reference, so I will select this reference, pad 1. So let me give the, it will detect all the scale, no need to select the reference, is automatically it will detect all the part. Now it is asking to ratio, so let me give 3 multiple 3 number of times it will increase the part. Click OK. Now I think I have to choose the plane, so just select the plane. So now you can select the reference, so I will select the plane. Either you can choose XY plane and either YZ plane or ZX plane, so I'll choose the all three, so one by one. So I select first XY plane, select XY plane. Now it's, you can see the shape of the previous part, now it's going to 3 times increase. So if I'll change the 2 times, now you can see it will decrease 2 times, it will increase 2 times. So this is called scaling. So let me give you one more example. So just to go to insert, transformation feature, and scaling. Now select the YZ plane. Now it is going to extend the stretch the part or increase the part YZ plane. So if I'll give 4 times, so it will increase 4 times. So now again if I'll insert, just go to scaling and select YZ plane, and I'll take 0.5. Okay, so now it will previously the total part, they are going to half of the total part. So if I'll choose ZX plane, go to insert, transformation feature, scaling, and choose the ZX plane. Now half of the part, Z-Explain. Okay, so now it is going to compress by along of Z-Explain. So you can go to again and use the transformation feature and scaling. Choose the selection YZ plane half of the part. So this is called a scaling feature. So I hope you understand this tutorial or this feature, a scaling feature. So this tutorial is enough to understanding. So in next video I will discuss with another tools or another features. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested really in this series, this is the CATIA series. So in this series, if you have any doubt, any questions, please comment me, or you can share this video to your friend circle or your college friend, or if you're working in any industry or company, then you can share with your colleague. They can understand the tools, because this CATIA is one of the largest tools or software CAD program. There is a lot of feature here, so you can be reminded sometime. Thank you for watching.